There are several questions on the net regarding the Unity's transform direction method, whether to use with transform or vector 3 directions. Most commonly asked question is, if the game object is rotated, let's say 90 degrees around the y-axis, why there is a difference between the output of transform.forward and vector3.forward. As you can see, vector3.forward is a constant and always indicates z-axis. Transform directions takes a local space direction vector and outputs the world space direction vector. In this case, when the game object is rotated 90 degrees, the output becomes 1, 0, 0, which is the global x-axis. So, due to the rotation of the game object, the local space z-axis now equals to world space x-axis. This is pretty straightforward. The problem arises when the transform.forward is used instead of vector3.forward. The problem stems from the fact that transform.forward gives us the world space direction vector, yet transform direction needs a local space direction vector. In fact, we shouldn't pass transform.forward without specifying the space.self as the second parameter of the method. However, if we do that, this means that we would like the method to consider transform.forward as a local space direction vector. So, the rotated game object's local space is exactly as you see, and the output of the transform.forward will be equal to the local axis, which indicates the direction of 1, 0, 0. In this case, the forward axis should be turned into that direction. Finally, the game object's local forward axis now lies in parallel to the global negative z-axis. I hope this clarifies the situation with regards to transform directions application to rotated game objects, in case transform.forward is intentionally used as a local space direction vector.